Hi there, it's Larry Podzabinsky. Did you think it was Dr. Pod or Podzoid or Psilocybinski? I like that one. Yeah, it's going from Podzoid submarine to Psilocybinski submarine, maybe. There's a little piece I can push in here at the end, switch some stuff around on the screen there. So, anyway, a report about the neuropsychiatric medication report back from the psych nurse. Wanted to check things out. So she got back to me when I got up yesterday now. And it's today yet, my day, but so she said she had, I meant to look that up before I turned this on. Some kind of stuff I've never heard of. Something new. The pharmacist that was who said that it's new and it's expensive and you need the prior authorization that you really need it. And that's the catch-22. The same thing happened with the antipsychotics. The typical first generation, none of them worked. It was the catch-22, so they had to give me the more expensive one they didn't want to give me that made me well, the Risperdal. Of course, it ripped all the hair out of my head, too. I meant to point that out these last few videos. That's where the hair, yeah, defoliation. That's just lovely. I wonder what the hell's going on, and that's find out that's it 30 years later. So anyway, that's no big deal though. You can't exchange, you can't count the hairs on your head, whereas the days of your life or the years of your life or eternal cosmic vibration. Anyway, I'm not even looking at the camera. I'm looking at myself on the screen. Uh, so they got this new drug. It's something new. They've got to get it approved. And then the pharmacist also said that it could be something that would have to come from a specialty pharmacy, he called it, in through the mail. So I don't know when this is coming or whatever. I'm still on the Artane, and I'm all right, but my mind just, I don't know, my cognition, perception seems a little different on this Artane. Uh, to my ability to tell it's happening, I mean, discernment that it's there. Uh, so that's the thing going on there. When that comes in, I'll have to try it. And then often, as they say, yes, it's true, it takes weeks often for these kind of medications to work the best way they're going to work when they're the right drug. So if they're not the right drug, then you have a reaction. You should stop or talk to your doctor before you stop taking it and tell them why you want to stop taking it. But so I'm not stopping the Artane until I get the other one because it is helping some of the stuff that it's for, but like not without the cognitive side effect though. I mean, especially if I take away the nicotine, another neurochemical. I mean, so in my brain chemistry, this all comes into play. You gotta be glad you're not me, and you think I'm having a picnic here. Some people think, you got to worry about things like this and brain chemistry and your behavior and your how you're perceived and how you perceive the world around you and interact with it. And it's all electric chemical thing in your brain created by brain chemicals that carry electricity. I don't know what wattage or voltage or whatever, but nanovolts or whatever. I don't know. But so I'm wanting to sign off here now. Was there anything else I was supposed to say? That oh, it is webcam, man. They quit making the one program for it, updating it that it works the best with it. And sometimes it comes on with a green screen, and you can't do nothing unless you just uninstall it and reinstall it, and it works every time. I went to a version backward this time. If it worked any better, but it so otherwise it comes on fine sometimes, but doesn't the green screen other times, and so it's just all frustrating. This technology. What was I doing? Oh, I had something to play for you. Yeah, I programmed this into the workstation synthesizer the other day. The last several days I was playing with it. I set this song up. I have to turn the microphone off to do that. Here it comes momentarily.